Harper Wave and HarperAudio present The Bonobo Sisterhood, Revolution Through Female Alliance by Diane L. Rosenfeld. Read by Elisabeth Rodgers. To my mother, Phyllis Ellis Rosenfeld, Esquire, whose maternal energy is the river that flows through these pages. To Kitty, my North Star, and to Terry, for everything. Foreword. This book you are listening to offers a vibrant vision and a detailed plan for uniting yourself with female kind in revolutionary coalitions such as those characterized by the least known of the great apes, the bonobos. The promise of bonobos, with whom we share 98.7% of our DNA, is to end male sexual violence. Professor Rosenfeld understands that all women experience male-perpetuated sexual violence in our distinct locations of oppressions uniquely, and imagines powerfully and convincingly that we women can't ignore each other's suffering anymore. Instead, we may learn from our closest living relatives, the bonobos, to form sustainable female-to-female alliances that not only disrupt individual acts of male aggression, but render obsolete oppressive patriarchal systems. The Bonobo Sisterhood offers a jaw-dropping social and legal investigation into the catalysts and custodians of sexual violence, anchored in and informed by Professor Rosenfeld's decades of searing work on the subject. Hers has been both expert and painful work, a public service she has fought to sustain amidst the most twisted and sordid moments of patriarchal oppression. Bolstered by her knowledge that the sexual violence-free bonobos exist and have something to offer us, Professor Rosenfeld has created an arguable and achievable vision for a world in which women are finally liberated from the violence of men. What could that vision be? Bonobo society is egalitarian. All females live free from sexual coercion and harassment by all males, period. Sit with that. How, evolutionarily speaking, did a little heralded species arrive at this radically different outcome when, for example, 100% of female chimpanzees, their closest primate relatives, are severely beaten and sexually coerced? We humans are, too, very close cousins of bonobos, closer than gorillas, and yet, like chimpanzees, we suffer from male aggression and patriarchy. What have bonobos done to arrive at their singular male violence-free model? The more important question is, might it be possible for us to look to them for traces of, or even guidance on, how to ameliorate human violence? This exciting book offers a resounding yes. Without being irresponsible or fanciful with the science, or wishfully extrapolating and overlaying bonobo society onto Homo sapiens, we can nonetheless take fact and inspiration from decades of fieldwork by evolutionary biologists, primatologists, and anthropologists who follow and study wild bonobos in the Democratic Republic of Congo, the only place in the world bonobos exist. Strong female coalitions undergird bonobos' stable, peaceful societies. Dig this: female bonobos coalesce without kinship ties. They come together, help each other, share food, groom, cooperate, protect each other. 1, whether or not they are related. 2, whether or not they even know each other. And 3, whether or not they even like each other, as observable and measured by time spent playing, hanging out, grooming, and sharing valuable resources. Additionally, when a female reaches reproductive age and is ready to migrate out of her natal group to a new community, she forms an alliance with an older female to help her integrate into her new home. Males gain their status in their communities through the presence of a dominant mother who helps ensure his reproductive success. In short, females...
Sample complete. Ready to continue?